From the deadline to the finish line, from the boardroom to the playroom. These days, your people power through it all. So why can't they just power through pain? Why is it so hard to overcome? Surgeries and pain meds are expensive, and they often don't work. Physical therapy does work, but doesn't fit into their day. Imagine if your people had a better way. A way to take control of their pain from the comfort of their own home. SORT makes it possible. We've combined the best in human care with easy-to-use technology to give your people the power to overcome their pain whenever and wherever they like, and save you up to 35% in healthcare costs. Here's how it works. We match your people with a real licensed physical therapist who designs an exercise program just for them. Accurate motion tracking lets them see their progress in real time and corrects their form. As their needs change, their program evolves, and their therapist sends messages of encouragement and handy tips along the way. The result? Your people stay engaged and get better faster. But we're not just helping your team get better, we want them to stay better too. Through their program, they get curated articles and insights to help them stay on a healthy path. And you'll get useful insight too. Regular reports show you how your people are performing, how much they're enjoying it, and how much you're saving. By preventing expensive surgeries and imaging, SORT Health can reduce your musculoskeletal costs by up to 35% and give your people the power to overcome their pain for good. Together, we're more powerful than pain.